This is Jacob snoring. It isn't me.
It isn't Roman. So Jacob wants proof or not. Roman, are you snoring? Roman. See, he's not snoring. Clearly. This screw you, bird. Ha! We caught you this time, Jacob.